हेलो गाइज, आप सभी लोगों का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एमसीक्यू अड्डा पे स्वागत है। ये एमसीक्यू अड्डा मल्टी चॉइस क्वेश्चंस पर आधारित है। ये सभी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, या सिविल सर्विसेज, यूपीसी या स्टेट सिविल सर्विस, या बैंक या एसएससी, या और भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन, उसके मद्देनजर बनाया गया है और इसमें आप लोगों को काफ़ी लाभ मिलेगा, फायदा होगा। तो आज चलते हैं एंशिएंट इंडिया की ओर, पार्ट 4। इसमें चालकोलिथिक एज या कॉपर स्टोन एज भी कहा जाता है, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, उस पर एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। पहला सवाल है, विथ रेफरेंस टू चालकोलिथिक सेटलमेंट्स इन इंडिया कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। फर्स्ट, Chalcolithic people were unfamiliar with the use of burnt bricks. Second one, their settlements were predominantly urban in nature. Third one, writing was unknown to Chalcolithic communities. Fourth, their economy was primarily village based. Which of the above statements are correct? Answer is B. 1, 2, 3. Chalcolithic settlements were rural, not urban. Statement 2, second is incorrect. Burnt bricks and writing were unknown. Statement 1 and 3 are correct. Economy was village based. Statement 4 is correct. Second question, which one of the following features best indicates the emergence of social inequality in Chalcolithic society? First, use of copper tools. Second, practice of agriculture and animal domestication. Third, chiefs residing in rectangular houses. Fourth, presence of regional variations in burial practices. Guess which answer is true? Answer C is true. Social hierarchy is inferred from differential housing patterns, rectangular houses versus round huts. Other options reflect economy or culture, not inequality. Next question is, consider the following pairs. Which of the pairs given below is or correctly matched? Chalcolithic site, here distinguished feature. Ahar, copper smelting. Giloon, occasional use of burnt bricks. Daimabad, bronze sculptures. Kaitha is urban town planning. So which answer is correct? Guess. A is true. 1, 2, 3 are correct. Kaitha was not urban. Pair 4 incorrect. Ahar, Giloon, Daimabad are correctly matched. Next question is which one of the following statements about Chalcolithic pottery is correct? 1, option A, black and red ware was in handmade and undecorated. Option B, pottery was absent in most Chalcolithic cultures. Option C, black and red pottery was wheel made and painted with white designs. Option D, pottery was exclusively made by women artisans. Which answer is true? C. Black and white were wheel made and white line painted. Female potters did not use the wheel. Next question, with reference to burial practices of Chalcolithic culture, consider the following. East-west, first option is east-west burial orientation was common in southern India. Second, north-south burial orientation was common in Maharashtra. Third, fractional burials were practiced in eastern India. Fourth, burials indicate low infant mortality. Which of the following above statements are correct? Option A is correct. 1, 2 and 3 statements are correct. Infant mortality was very high, not low. Statement 4 is incorrect. Next question, Which one of the following best distinguishes Chalcolithic culture from Harappan culture civilization? Option A, use of metal tools, practice of agriculture, rural settlements pattern, worship of fertility symbols. Which option is correct? C is correct. Rural settlement pattern. Harappans were urban, Chalcolithic cultures were rural. Other features existed in both. Next question is, which of the following animals was not known to Chalcolithic people? First, cattle. B, goat. C, pig. D, horse. D, horse was not known to Chalcolithic people. Chalcolithic people did not know horses. Next question, the bull cult of Chalcolithic society is inferred primarily from painted pottery motifs. B, bronze bull figurines. C, stylized bull terracottas. D, rock art depictions. Which answer is correct? C is correct. Religious symbolism is inferred from terracotta bull figurines, especially from Malwa and Rajasthan. Next question is, which one of the following Chalcolithic sites is associated with largest Jorbe culture settlement? Option A, Nevasa. B, Inamgaon. Third, Navda Toli. D, Damabad. Option D is correct. Damabad is the largest Jorbe culture site, famous for bronze artifacts. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding technology in the Chalcolithic age. First, copper smelting was known. Second, plough and hoe were commonly used. 3, stone tools continued alongside metal tools. 4, spinning and weaving were practiced. Which of the statements are correct? Option A is correct. 1/3 and 4th are correct. No plough or hoe has been found. Statement second incorrect. Chalcolithic culture, stone and copper technology. It was stone and copper technology. Which one of the following is the most accurate basis for distinguishing Chalcolithic cultures from Harappan civilization? Option A, presence of copper tools. B, use of wheel-made pottery. C, rural settlement pattern, absence of plant urbanism. D, domestication of animals. Option C is correct. Rural settlement pattern, absence of plant urbanism. Copper, pottery and domestication are common to both. Absence of urban planning, drainage, standardized bricks and city layout is the defining Chalcolithic feature. Next question is, consider the following regarding burial practices in Chalcolithic India. Option A, uniform burial orientation across regions. B, fractional burials confined only to Western India. Option C, regional variation in burial orientation and methods. Option D, absence of grave goods. Which is correct? Option C is correct. Regional variation in burial orientation and method. Burial practices varied sharply by region. North-south in Maharashtra, east-west in South India, fractional burials in Eastern India. Which feature best reflect technology continuity from Neolithic to Chalcolithic phase? Option A, introduction to copper metallurgy. B, continued use of polished stone tools. C, emergence of urban craft specialization. Option D, use of burnt bricks. Option B is correct. Continued use of polished stone tools. Chalcolithic societies continued stone tool tradition alongside copper, indicating technological overlap rather than replacement. Next question is, the worship of the mother goddess in Chalcolithic societies is inferred mainly from painted pottery motifs, stone sculptures, terracotta female figurines, burial orientation. Option C is correct. Terracotta female figurines. Small clay figurines of earth goddesses are strongest archaeological indicators of fertility cults. Which statements best explains why Chalcolithic? Which statement best explain why Chalcolithic societies are termed primarily rural? Option A, dependence on hunting and gathering, lack of metallurgy. C, village-based agrarian economy. D, absence of pottery. Which statement is correct? Option C is correct. Village-based agrarian economy. They practice agriculture and animal domestication, but without urban surplus management or administrative structures. Consider the following pairs. Which option is correct? Resin Dominican crop. Eastern India rice. Western India wheat and barley. Deccan Plateau millet. Which option is correct? Option D is correct. 1, 2 and 3. Chalcolithic agriculture shows strong regional specialization based on ecology. Next question, which one indicates the emergence of social inequality in Chalcolithic societies? Option A, defensive burial goods. B, presence of fortification. C, rectangular houses of chiefs. D, craft gates. Right answer is C, rectangular houses of chiefs. Larger rectangular houses for elites versus round huts for commoners reflect early hierarchy. Which factor most clearly differentiates Chalcolithic religion from Harappan religions? Option A, bull symbolism. B, mother goddess worship. C, absence of standardized religious architecture. D, use of terracotta figurines. Right answer is C, absence of standardized religious architecture. Harappans had standardized ritual spaces. Chalcolithic religion was localized and household based. Next question is, fractional burials indicates the secondary burial after decomposition, cremation practices, fear of the dead, nomadic lifestyles. Which answer is true? Option A is true. Secondary burial after decomposition. Only selected bones were buried, suggesting ritual burial practices. Second question, next question, which statement best explains technology lag in Chalcolithic India? First, absence of copper. Second, limited agricultural surplus. C, lack of trade networks. D, environmental degradation. Option B is correct. Limited agricultural surplus. Insufficient surplus prevented large-scale technological leap toward urbanization. Which community links Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic phase? Which option is correct? Macrolithic tools, pastoral economy, pottery usage, rock art traditions. D, rock art tradition is correct. Rock art originated in Mesolithic and continued symbolically in later phases. Next question is, which is the most reliable archaeological indicator of regional variation? First, tool typology. B, pottery style. C, settlement size. D, metal composition. Right answer is B, pottery styles. Pottery varies most visibly and consistently across regions. Next, the absence of laws in Chalcolithic sites indicates pastoral dominance, shifting cultivation, technological backwardness, environmental constraints. Option is B is correct. Shifting cultivation. Slash and burn agriculture does not require plough technology. Which aspect best reflects religion economy linkage in Chalcolithic culture? First, burial orientation. Second, fertility cults. C, bull symbolism. D, stone circles. Which option is correct? B, fertility cults. Agrarian societies emphasize fertility worship tied to crops and reproduction. Next question: which one is not characteristic of Chalcolithic burial practices? Option A: high infant burials. B: grave goods presence. C: uniform burial orientation. D: regional diversity. Option C is right. Uniform burial orientation. Burial orientation was non-uniform, varying by region. Next question: which factor prevented Chalcolithic societies from evolving into urban centers? Option A: metal scarcity. B: lack of trade. C: weak political organization. D: environmental instability. Right answer is C: weak political organization. Absence of central authority administration blocked urban transition. Next question is: which feature indicates continuity rather than rupture in technological evolution? Option A: sudden adoption of bronze. B: simultaneous use of stone or copper tools. C: appearance of burnt bricks. D: introduction of writing. Option B is correct. Simultaneous use of stone and copper tools. Technology coexisted, reflecting gradual transition. Which statement about Chalcolithic pottery is correct? Entirely handmade, exclusively ritualistic, wheel made black and red were dominant, absence of decoration. Option C is correct. Wheel made black and red were dominant. Black and red were made on potter's wheel was widespread. Which features show cultural diversity despite technological similarity? Option A: copper usage. B: burial methods. C: domesticated animals. D: tool materials. Which option is correct? Right option is burial methods. B. Burial customs vary badly even when tools and economy are similar. Next question: which base summarizes Chalcolithic India? Option A: transitional but homogeneous culture. B: rural, regionally diverse, technological overlapping society. C: early urban civilization. D: purely pastoral economy. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. Rural, regionally diverse, technological overlapping society. चालकोलिथिक सिविलाइजेशन पर आज इतना ही, जो कॉपर टोन सोसाइटी कहलाती है। और उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आए होंगे। पसंद आए तो आज हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एमसीक्यू अड्डा वो सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और बेल बटन प्रेस करें ताकि हमारा वीडियो अपलोड होते ही आप तक पहुंच सके। कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें हमारे वीडियो कैसे लग रहे हैं और क्या चाहते हैं, इस पर कोशिश करूंगा अच्छे से वीडियो बनाने के लिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।
कूड़ा उठाना